So today we're gonna review. Let me close the door first. So today we're gonna review this session of 11-11-25. All right. So just to give you a little bit of context, guys, about what happened. So we open up the market. We create this rejection level, which is a clear supply zone between 68.52 and 68.50. Again, the market aggressively rejects this level, and keep in mind that we're on a higher time frame supply demand level. All right, so it rejects, as you can see right here, it bounces back, it consolidates right here on this previous demand zone supply for the day before, and then it rallies back up, right? So around 11:23, let's go to our book map and let's go back to 11:23, meaning 10:23, 10:20. Again, these lines right here are the ones that are signaling the book map. We're just gonna go ahead and play it forward and we're gonna see exactly what happens. Let me see if I can make this CVD a little bit should not CVD a little bit bigger. And again, we're going into it. I have this aggressive buying coming into this level. Aggressive buying. Let's slow it down. Aggressive buying. We see that aggressive buying right there? It doesn't break the level right there. It doesn't break it. We can see there's still a high volume. And then boom, it starts to fail right there. And then where I should have taken the trade would have been where I see a lot of aggressive volume coming in. Right around, I think right there I should have entered the trade already. Let's see. Right there. Right there. See all of this volume over here? Should have entered the trade right there. And right here, this is just extra confirmation. And this is at 10:25. So let's see what happens at 10:25, 26, 25. We're literally right here on this candle right here. As you can see, so we could have entered this trade over here. So that's just to show you the importance of marking your supply and demand levels. All right. Now, next trade that we're going to talk about. I mean, today, as you can see, the market was just like bouncing between these ranges between 68.50 and 68.34-ish. All right. So we're gonna go back into this level. Okay, so this is the trade that I was looking to take. I didn't take it. I mean, I was in it, but I guess my emotions just got the best of me. And yeah, like anyways, but that doesn't matter. So I had entered this trade right here, right on the line of 68.54. Let's see settings. Yep, 68.54.25, 68.54. Yeah, so I had entered around right here, 68.24.25, right? And this is a break-even trade. I don't know what I was doing there, but I knew for sure that this trade right here was going to be the one that I wanted to take. So let's go towards 1123. Let's see. Let's go right here. So it breaks this. So what I was looking for here was, as you can see, we have an area of supply, which is this same area. I was hoping for it to break, retest, and then rally all the way up to this. This is the pre-market high. That's what I was targeting right there. All right. So that was what I wanted to do. So let's see when it could have happened, because I honestly could have entered right here whenever this happened. This one's at 1123. We're at 1122. So let me speed it up to speed. So the bookmap goes up. We're at 67.57 right here. So I wanted to see a pullback right here onto this level, which is right here. It's 1124. Let me speed it up a little bit more. So there it is. The aggressive selling starts coming in, drops back down. Okay. So it's dropping down there. And what I'm looking for is for a fake out. Aggressive volume pushing down, followed by aggressive buying. Boom, right there. You see this aggressive selling right there? So it comes in, it struggles a little bit. It gets to literally the middle of this zone. And then look at what happened right here. It struggles. It drops again. Then boom, right there. You see that right there? That should have been my confirmation right there. That should have been my confirmation right there. Easily right there. It only makes sense. It only makes sense to go in after seeing all of this aggressive selling going, especially whenever you combine it with this zone that we know for sure is a supply level that has been broken. So I should have entered right there. However, I didn't enter the trade until 68.54. So this was 68.52. Yeah, 50. So I should have entered the trade right there. I should have just entered the trade right there. But you live, you learn. Like, this is where I should have entered the trade. And this was a clear confirmation. Let me see if the footprint chart was giving me something. 1126, 1126. Let's see. 1126. Right here we have 1126. Yeah, I don't see anything right here on 1126 other than this P-shaped profile right here. Um, yeah, I don't see anything remarkable on the footprint chart. This was just mainly, marking your levels and the book map. Okay. So after we go up, so yeah, I have plenty of time to enter this trade. Like, I have plenty of time to enter this trade. Now, that's for that one. Okay. Now, the next one that we're going to talk about is right here. This one is the pre-market high. Okay. The reason why this level was so significant today was because, again, the market had been ranging on this channel right here, and it hasn't broken this pre-market high. All right. So to me, that was a pretty important level right there. So this could have been the second entry, and this could have been a limit order. We could have entered with three contracts. 3 to 1 would have been a $1,400 one. I didn't enter it because, again, fear fucks with you. All right. So if we focus on 1:01 p.m., 1:01. So that's 12:01. 12. Okay, so let's talk. 12:01. I really hate when Bookmap does this, honestly. Okay, so we see this right here. Let me zoom in. And this drop happens at 03. So right here. So we're gonna go ahead and play it. So we get this push up right here. Now it rejects that level right there. And then at 68.24, I mean 64 or 65, there we have this limit order right here, which is really close to this one right here. Look, it's really close. So for me, that's enough. That's more than enough. How's it called? Confirmation to put an order right there, and it makes total sense, honestly. So it drops to that point. Boom. And then it goes all the way fucking up. So that could have been another trade that we could have done today. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much.